What's going on, you guys? This is Sharpening, episode number 1. Been working with pretty rough rider right here. Found it in my great-grandmother's basement. She gave me a box of them. And we're going to see what we can do with it. It says right here, 440 razor sharp steel. We'll really see how sharp that is before we get to sharpening. And you guys can see it's just really just tearing. Pretty sad. We'll see if we can give it a good sharpening. We're going to start off here with our 440 grit. Excuse me, 400, not 440. We're not sanding wood. Get us some water on there. Find me a good angle, I like. Start right there should be good. And try to keep it pretty consistent. I want a good thin blade on this one. And I'm going to make a few passes on 400 on each side, and I'll get back to y'all, and we'll get down to the 1000 grit. Alright guys, we're going to move on now to the 1000 grit. Made quite a few passes on that. I'll put off here. On the 400 grit. On my G-Ting whetstone, we give her a good dunk in the water. There we go. Go back down in the grit. Do the same thing again here. And y'all let me know if you have any tips or tricks down in the comments. I'm relatively new to this. Just trying to get a good feel for it. Been sharpening knives for a little bit. Just not really trying to figure out how to use the whetstone. But if y'all guys have any tips or comments, drop them down below and give me some pointers. Thanks, guys. I have managed to whetstone my finger. You know that's possible. Been weed eating all day, and apparently popped some blisters on my hands. But you know what? That's quite alright.
Get some more water here. I have learned, and now it's started down. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Next side. Whoop. That's come right, there we go.
Alright, moving on to the 8,000 grit. Alright, y'all, setting up our strop here. I've got my leather strop on top of a sanding block, just to kind of keep my hand off the table, give me some room for the handle. And I like to do about 50 passes on each side. I've already done a couple off camera. I'm just really trying to work that final burr off of there. Alright guys, got a freshly sharpened strawberry trapper, is what we're going to call this little gem right here. For obvious reasons, it looks like a strawberry. Found some sticky notes, just going to try to save some paper. Because I ain't got a lot of paper on the printer and I got to print off some stuff. But let's see how we did. Remember, it wouldn't even cut paper earlier. I mean, it was just ripping through it like a, I don't even know, but let's see how we did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You guys, I think that's pretty successful for a newbie at this. But let me guys know what you think. Any comments, any tips or suggestions, let us know. We'll put this bad boy up. Thank you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little bell. Thank you guys.